Well, maybe you're getting sick of those cooler temperatures that have been with us for quite some time now. It's pretty easy to pinpoint where they're going. Look at the high temperatures this afternoon across the country. The cooler air mass that was in place over us is shifting further inland, and right now it's across the Intermountain West. Just 46 this afternoon near Casper, Wyoming, 41 in Montana, 57 near Boise, the mid-50s near Seattle and Portland. Just ahead of that winter storm across the west right now, it's very warm temperatures. Look at these highs, 90 near Oklahoma City this afternoon, and the 80s and upper 70s near New York, up and down the eastern seaboard. All of these temperatures across the eastern third of our country are well above normal. We're continuing to see this winter storm now moving into parts of the Intermountain West. This was the system that was actually moving through our region yesterday. It was a weak front. That low pressure was off to our north near Vancouver Island, and it's now moved into parts of Idaho and Wyoming and Montana, expecting to bring about 12 to 18 inches of snow to the higher terrain and very strong winds. There are blizzard warnings in place, winter storm warnings in place as well, and watches all the way from Billings to Casper on down into Denver. Ahead of it is some stronger storms. There's a front with it, and that's bringing some stronger storms and severe thunderstorm watches to parts of the upper Midwest. We also have a Tropical Storm Karen, that's beginning to move into the Gulf of Mexico. It's going to strengthen to a hurricane. Right now, its wind speeds are about 65 miles an hour. That's about 10 miles per hour shy of being a hurricane. It will strengthen when it moves into the warm ocean waters of the Gulf of Mexico and then weaken back to a tropical storm as it then makes landfall in the Gulf Coast. Louisiana has tropical storm watches and warnings in place, and we have hurricane watches for parts of the Florida Panhandle and Mississippi and Alabama. They're expecting between 2 and 6 inches of rainfall from that system. On back to the west, we have clear skies up and down the I-5 corridor, and this is not expected to change now. As we head into the weekend, temperatures will gradually warm. We have high pressure positioned over the eastern Pacific. This system will shift further inland as we head into tomorrow, more so into the weekend, and it looks like we have sunshine in the forecast through Sunday. This weekend is shaping up very nicely. But temperatures today on the cooler side, and that's not going to change into the overnight hours. We'll continue to see very cool temperatures. 63 this afternoon in Medford, 56 near Klamath Falls, 61 near Glendale, 60 near Wonder, just 41 this afternoon near Crater Lake, 63 near Eagle Point, and 58 near Buncombe. So this weekend shaping up very nicely through Sunday, and then it looks like our next weather system moves in now on Monday. So the weekend very nice, then we start to see clouds in. A chance for showers come Monday and Tuesday. That will be mainly for the coastline, just clouds for inland areas, but our temperatures are then going to drop all of next week to well below normal, back into the 60s. Here are your morning temperatures: 34 near Medford, 35 near Grants Pass. Expect patchy frost in the valleys. There is a freeze warning in place and frost advisory. 24 near Klamath Falls. Into tomorrow, lots of sunshine along the coast. An offshore wind is going to really be warming temperatures up near Brookings. 79 the high temperature there. In the mountains, morning frost and sunny skies through much of your day. We're kicking off the weekend with lots of sunshine in the Klamath Basin, breezy conditions into the afternoon. A cold start to the day, though. In Siskiyou County, the mid-60s for much of Northern California, 75 near Happy Camp. Morning frost and sunny skies, and in the Rogue Valley, much of the same, but temperatures tomorrow about 10 degrees warmer than today. 73 in Medford. Here's your 7-day forecast. Showers rolling in by Monday, but sunshine until then for the coast, for the Klamath Basin. Sunshine into your weekend, lasting through Sunday, and then some clouds come in Monday and Tuesday. For Siskiyou County, it's the same thing for you. You're hitting 80 by Sunday. This weekend shaping up very nicely in the Rogue Valley. If you want to get outside, it is just the perfect weekend to do it. The upper 70s.